Good morning. This is Vijay Vadakbalkar from Freedom Influencer. Today we are going to talk about the concept of how to be financially free. Meaning thereby, your money works harder for you and money invested fetches you return in the form of money, regular income, instead of you working hard and exchanging time for your salary. These are the difficult times, as everyone is aware. We already know that several million people in US, Europe, India have lost their jobs. People in the high salary bracket, drawing salaries in the range of 1 lakh per month to 5 lakh per month, have lost their jobs. Suddenly they have zero income. How do you deal with such a situation? And the wonderful answer is Robert Kiyosaki's book on cash flow quadrant, where he explains this wonderful concept, how to be financially free. You have no choice in these circumstances but to understand this concept of how money works for you instead of you working for money. And therefore, you must understand the cash flow quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki. In a pie, if you draw central line and horizontal line, you get 4 portions. On the left hand side, 2 elements where there is active income. Either you are employed by somebody or you are self-employed down below. Professionals like doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, company secretary, who work for themselves. But both of them, employee exchanges time with his employer and in return at the end of the month gets salary. Professional like a chartered accountant, company secretary, lawyer, cost accountant, he works for his firm and through his expert knowledge he charges fees and he receives income by way of fees, professional income. But he also spends time. But if he goes on a holiday, both employee as well as self-employed like professionals, if they close their shop, if a doctor goes on a holiday, if a chartered accountant goes on a holiday, he cannot continue to get his income. He is also active income earner. So like an employee, if he goes on leave or if he leaves the job, his income stops. Let us look on the right side of the quadrant. What is there? The right side of the quadrant is a system owner. On the top hand corner, a big business owner with a system in place. For example, if a branch manager in Mulund of ICICI or HDFC Bank does not come or goes on 6 months leave, does the bank or the branch stops working? Certainly not. There is a system in place and the system operates and the income continues to accrue to the bank. These are the big business owners. If Dhirubhai Ambani goes on a holiday, does his corporate empire comes to a grinding halt? Of course no. He has employed several employees, executives, there is a board of directors, there are policies, and there is a system in place which, irrespective of Mr. Ambani's presence or otherwise, it goes on and on and on, and it goes on making money. Whereas down right hand side corner, 4th quarter, is people who have invested money and have become super rich and their money is earning money. So there is a choice to every one of you. So the concept is called ESBI. E stands for employee, S stands for self-employed on the left hand side of the quadrant, Both of them are earning active income. Right hand side of the corner, B stands for big business owner with a system in place. All corporates, all big business owners are come under third category, business owners with system in place. And the fourth category is investment through investment income. You invest money and that investment earns money to you. For example, you buy a commercial property or a residential property, give it on rent. So you have invested 30, 40, 50 lakhs, but you will get a fixed rental 3, 4, 5 lakhs, whatever it is. Similarly, there are various asset classes. One example I gave you is property. You can invest in shares systematically, you can invest in mutual funds systematically and get financially free. And that concept is known as moving from left side of the quadrant to the right side of the quadrant. My dear friends, especially young children in the age group of 20, 25, 30 who are presently drawing handsome salary of 2 lakhs per month, 3 lakhs per month, 5 lakhs per month. Think about this. If there is a corona again 20 years down the line, and if you, God forbid, if you lose your job, how will you sustain your lifestyle, monthly expenses? So you need to move from left side of the quadrant to the right side of the quadrant, from active income to passive income, and that's where I will help you do that, and that will not take years and years and years. I want to take a simple small example before I end this video. Let us assume that you are, say, 30-year young guy, you are working in a corporate and you are earning, you have a decent lifestyle, you are earning salary of 50,000 per month and your lifestyle is, say, 25k, you are spending on your household expenses every month 25k. So I assume that you can save that balance 25,000 per month in a SIP of mutual fund or a portfolio of equity share, which is growing, assuming at a rate of 15% per annum. Equity is the only asset class which grows post-tax and post-inflation at 15% per annum. If you take the index, which was 800, has grown to now 36,000. So if you calculate, average growth is about 15% plus. So that is where I am assuming you have invested your money in a systematic manner, which I will guide you in selecting a portfolio, or be it a portfolio of equity shares, or be it a selection of which is the mutual fund. Yearly you should do a systematic investment, monthly investment. But if you do that in a span of about 13 years and say 3 months, your portfolio grows to a sizable 1.25 crore, 1 crore 25 lakhs. If you park that money in a fixed deposit, which will fetch, say, 5% interest then, so at 5%, 1.25 crore will fetch you 6.25 lakhs a year, or monthly 52,000 per month, and your income presently is 50,000 per month. That is what is called creating a clone. So I don't think you have any choice but to create this clone, you, earning passive income, so that you have the comfort for rest of your life. You can live peacefully, happy, peaceful life, and grow financially, become wealthy. And you should teach this if you are in the age group of your 50, 60, or already retired, cross 60. You must tell your grandchildren, children to use this path to become financially free. And if you need any help, I am there. You can always contact me. I am Vijay Vadakbalkar from Freedom Influencer. So if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, and make them financially free. Thank you very much for your patient listening.